How to change region on Valorant. First things first is you won't be able to change anything if you will touch any option from the game settings itself. This process is requiring us to do this directly from support-valorant.riotgames.com. So of course, open up your preferred web browser and head directly to the Riot Games official site. Now in here, just head over directly to Valorant support and scroll all the way down till you find this option that says submit a ticket. Click on that. But before doing this, make sure that you are logged into your Riot Games account for a smoother process. In here, just choose a request type. Just simply choose on recover my account. Then you wait for the page to load. In here, input your email address, the current platform that you're requesting assistance with, the current region, and then on your subject, just simply change it to change region. Now, on description, you just have to be specific on stating the reason why you would like to change region on your current region that you have right now. Now, if you take screenshots, then that's good. Just upload it from here and submit that ticket. And once you have submitted it, take note of your ticket number as to you be using it to follow up on your current process of the issue that you reported. And that's the only way that you can change region on Valorant.